My name is Andrew Meidellinger, your host of Andrew Does Everything. And in this word matter short,
letter is B, letter D, sorry.
I'm explaining how to turn bird into chirp by using a word ladder. B-I-R-D. Take away a letter before the last letter. R, the bossy R that changes the vowel's sound. And leave B-I-D, bid. And change the vowel known as I to an E to get bed. And change the B in bed to an SH. And then SH, ED, shed. Change the H in shed to an L. Make an SLED, sled. Change the vowel known as E to an I. To get SLID, slid. And change the D in slid or E to get slip. Change the L and slid to an H to get ship. Hip. And take away the S in shift to get delete HIP, ship, hip. Add a C to the beginning of chip, hip to get CHIP, chip. And add an R before the P. CHRRP. Chirp. And there you have it. Bird, bid, bed, shed, sled, sled, slid, slip, ship, hip, chip, chirp. Bye for now.